Hello students, this is experiment number 13, adaptations of plants and animals found in aquatic conditions. First, write the objective of the experiment, study of 2 plants and 2 animals found in aquatic conditions and comment upon their adaptations or morphological features. We require pictures or photographs of Hydrilla, Eicchornia, Vallisneria, Labeo and Scoliodon. This is Hydrilla plant. The features of Hydrilla plant are: number 1, it is submerged hydrophyte and is found attached to the substratum by its adventitious roots in freshwater ponds. Now see the stem. The stem is soft and slender, which bears thin and membranous leaves in whorls of 3 to 8. The leaves are arranged in such a way to provide least resistance to the flow of water, and the leaves of Hydrilla plant lack cuticle and stomata. Also, the whole plant is covered over by mucilage, which prevents rotting of plant in water. Next aquatic plant is Vallisneria. It is a genus of freshwater aquatic plant. Important features of Vallisneria are: it is submerged stoloniferous flowering plant. What are stolons? They are stems. They are very similar to normal stem, except they produce adventitious roots at its nodes and run horizontally. For this, you can see the diagram. So, Vallisneria is a submerged stoloniferous flowering plant, grows in freshwater ponds. Its stem is reduced and roots are concerned with the function of anchorage. Check the shape of leaves now. Leaves are large and ribbon shaped and they lack cuticle and stomata. And leaves do not provide any resistance to the flow of water. The whole plant is covered with mucilage. This adaptation is to prevent the plant from rotting or wetting. Third aquatic plant is Eicchornia, also called as water hyacinth or jal kumbhi. Its characteristic features are: it is a free floating hydrophyte that grows in ponds, lakes and water bodies containing fresh water. Stem is offset that grows below the surface of water. See the picture. Actually, offset is a shorter and thicker branch where each node bears a tuft of rosette-shaped leaves. Stem is spongy and it stores air. The leaves arise at the nodes in clusters. Petioles are very specific in water hyacinth. Petioles of leaves are inflated that keep the leaves out of water. Nodes also bear clusters of adventitious roots in water and they act as balancers. The emerged leaves have waterproof waxy coating to prevent wetting. This is Labeo rohita. It is a freshwater fish. It is also called as carp or rohu. Its adaptive features are: body shape is streamlined. Its mouth is terminal in position. It has 4 pairs of gills which are covered with operculum. It possesses fins that help in swimming, and air bladder or swim bladder is also present, which regulates buoyancy. Body is covered with water impermeable scales to prevent osmotic entry of water in the body. Next is Scoliodon. It is a marine fish commonly called as shark or dog fish. Its features are: it has streamlined body shape with cartilaginous skeleton. Mouth is ventrally located. Respiration is by gills which are not covered with operculum. In Scoliodon, air bladder is absent. So, to avoid sinking, they have to swim constantly. Their body is covered with placoid scales. So, these are the plants and animals adapted in aquatic environment. Draw these diagrams in your practical notebook, label them properly, make neat diagram with the help of sharp pencil. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.